SOCRadar, your trusted partner.
In today's digital landscape, companies face increasing cyber threats, often without time, staff, and tools to keep up. As a result, critical vulnerabilities go unnoticed, brand impersonation can spread quickly, and threat actors operate in the shadows. That's where SOCRadar steps in, giving you enterprise-grade cybersecurity monitoring and threat intelligence in a single, unified platform. So, let's walk through how SOCRadar helps protect your businesses in three key areas: attack surface management, digital risk protection, and cyber threat intelligence. When you first log into your account, you are presented with a dashboard that provides information about your company and your digital assets. You can customize this dashboard to display information that you consider useful and important to you. Let's start with digital footprint in Attack Surface Management module. Here, SOCRadar automatically discovers and monitors all your digital assets, websites, subdomains, IP addresses, and cloud services, even those you may have forgotten about. As a result, you get a clear, real-time map of what you own, what's exposed, and what needs attention. Next, ASTA, or Attack Surface Threat Assessment, scans your digital assets for known vulnerabilities. Just with a couple clicks, you can set, schedule, and launch an automated scan, and immediately see if any part of your infrastructure is affected. It's a fast and efficient way to identify and prioritize security gaps before attackers do. The Digital Risk Protection module begins with DRP configuration, where you input your company's key digital assets, such as official website, brand name, domains, and social media accounts. Once configured, SOCRadar constantly monitors the internet, searching for misuse, impersonation, or malicious imitation of your brand. In the brand protection section, you'll see any suspicious domains, fake social media accounts, or mobile apps pretending to be your business. And the most importantly, you can take immediate action. With just one click, you can submit a takedown request, and SOCRadar handles the rest. That means faster response, less damage, and better protection for your customers and reputation. The Cyber Threat Intelligence module has Threat Actor Intelligence section, where you can explore profiles of known cybercriminal groups and APTs. You can filter them by their targeted country, industry sector, and much more. For example, if you operate in the telecom sector in Ukraine, SOCRadar will show you which threat actors are more relevant to your risk profile. Each profile contains detailed intelligence, including the tools and methods they use, the campaigns they run, and even YORA and Sigma rules you can use to defend your systems. It's a full intelligence brief, available instantly without needing a dedicated SOC team. The campaigns section gives you a real-time view of the latest global cyber operations, complete with technical analysis and actionable mitigation steps. Whether it's phishing, ransomware, or targeted attacks, SOCRadar helps you understand what's happening and how to prepare. So, to summarize, in this video we've learned how just in a couple of clicks SOCRadar gives you complete visibility over all your digital assets, real-time threat scans and vulnerability assessment, brand protection from impersonation and fraud, and of course world-class intelligence on cybercriminals and their campaigns. If you're ready to see how SOCRadar can work for you, reach out to us for a personal demo or a pilot deployment tailored for your needs. Let us show you how easy and powerful cybersecurity can be when it's done right. Also, if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to support the channel by hitting the like button. And if you want more insights on how to simplify your cybersecurity, consider subscribing, as there is more coming up soon.